Cathie Wood explains why Bitcoin will be unstoppable after this happens. Bitcoin price prediction. Hello guys. Welcome to our channel. Today in this video we are going to discuss what Cathie Wood said about Bitcoin and why it will be unstoppable after a few months. But before we start the video, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up, and if you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe before leaving. Also hit that bell icon so that you can get notified whenever we will upload a new video. For now, let's get back to the video right away.
You want to win an iPhone 12, maybe a MacBook Pro. How about $500 cash? You decide. All you have to do is comment the secret hidden message somewhere in this video and leave a like on this video and subscribe to the channel so we can keep affording these giveaways.
Cathie Wood is keeping the faith, even in the face of Bitcoin's massive plunge that had wiped $500 billion from the coin's peak market value at one point. The head of Ark Investment Management said in an interview on Bloomberg TV that she still expects the cryptocurrency to reach a price of $500,000. She noted that as highly volatile sectors in the stock market are selling off amid inflation fears, Bitcoin is dropping as well. It last traded just below $38,000. We go through soul-searching times like this and scrape the models, and yes, our conviction is just as high, she said. Although Elon Musk has soured on Bitcoin due to its environmental impact, Wood said once renewables are incorporated into the Bitcoin mining technology, like she expects, Elon will come back and be part of that ecosystem. Musk's quick change in opinion on the largest cryptocurrency may have been caused by pushback from institutional shareholders like BlackRock, she said. Despite her long-term conviction, Bitcoin and other digital coins may face more pain before mounting a comeback. You never know how low is low when a market gets very emotional, she said. I think we're in a capitulation phase. That's a really great time to buy no matter what the asset is. Wood has consistently loaded up on shares of Coinbase Global Incorporated in the past 2 weeks as the cryptocurrency exchange has dipped below its April direct listing reference price and to a record low on Wednesday. In the interview, Wood also addressed the prospects for a Bitcoin exchange-traded fund to be approved in the US this year, which appears to be less likely after a string of comments from regulators. Wood thinks the latest plunge could be a good thing for the prospects of approval. The odds are going up now that we have had this correction, she said. Although her funds have taken a hit this year, with her flagship Ark Innovation ETF down more than 34% from its high in February, the firm's product lineup hasn't yet faced a monthly outflow, she said. There were a lot of commentators out there, shall I say, screaming about how our ETFs would have to shut down, which is impossible, she said. In fact, the move toward value sectors that's caused her funds to suffer is encouraging to her. The forces that the coronavirus put in motion supporting all of the innovation in which we invest, they're not looking back, she said. We're looking at this saying, all right, on sale. Innovation is on sale. Oh, and by the way, the bull market had broadened out. Grayscale Bitcoin Trust. The first and by far largest US exchange-traded trust that only owns Bitcoin is Grayscale Bitcoin Trust. It has $21.9 billion in assets under management. It offers Bitcoin bulls and bears a way to play the popularity of the leading cryptocurrency denomination through a traditional brokerage account. The one knock on the trust is its fees. Grayscale Bitcoin Trust charges a 2% annual fee, and it takes that out from the Bitcoin it owns gradually over the course of the year. Buying directly into Bitcoin is cheaper for long-term investors, but traders can appreciate Grayscale Bitcoin Trust as an investment through a commission-free trading platform. Buying and selling Bitcoin can cost as much as 1.5% per transaction through many of the leading exchanges. The bullish argument for Grayscale Bitcoin Trust is that it's trading for a lot less than the value of its investments. A share of Grayscale's trust owned $31.64 in Bitcoin as of Wednesday's close. The stock was trading at $27.79, a 12% discount to its cryptocurrency holdings. It would take 6 years of annual fees to offset the discount, even if there are no guarantees that it will ever trade at net asset value. Coinbase Global. Coinbase Global went public 2 months ago, but it's already the 10th largest holding for Wood's Ark Invest. It's easy to see the appeal for Coinbase as a play on the crypto market. It's the leading trading marketplace for digital currencies with 56 million verified user accounts by the end of March, and the growth has been phenomenal in this volatile climate. Revenue soared a whopping 845% in its latest quarter, and we're not talking about a small company here. Coinbase trading volume was a beefy $335 billion in the first quarter. It's also now very profitable, earning $771.5 million through the first 3 months of this year. Coinbase hit the market at a reference price of $250 in April, and despite an initial pop, it's now literally a broken IPO. Buying Grayscale Bitcoin Trust at a discount is smart. Buying Coinbase for less than its debut price could be even smarter. If you're looking to invest in cryptocurrency and want a fresh approach over just buying directly into Bitcoin and its smaller peers, Grayscale Bitcoin Trust and Coinbase are smart plays for risk-tolerant investors. Making crypto price predictions can be difficult, especially Bitcoin price prediction, as Bitcoin's chart movements essentially influence the whole crypto market. However, many crypto experts have given price predictions for Bitcoin. The Economy Forecast Agency predicts that the price of Bitcoin could go up to $39,428 in June 2021. Provisiony Bitcoin predicts that the price of Bitcoin could go up to $48,605 by the end of June or July. Christopher Brown of Faith Finance predicts that Bitcoin could potentially get back to its all-time high price in June if the market is favorable. However, this is all speculation, and Bitcoin price predictions should be taken with a grain of salt. Over the past few weeks, since May 19th, a lot of negative news about crypto has been emerging from around the world. Starting with Elon Musk's announcement on Twitter that Tesla would stop accepting Bitcoin as payments, which lead to around a 10% fall in the price of Bitcoin overnight. On May 19th, Bitcoin further fell down to $30,000, after China reinforced their bans on cryptocurrencies. Since then, the price of Bitcoin fluctuated quite a bit, and went down a couple of days as Donald Trump said in an interview that he believes Bitcoin to be a scam. Stay tuned for more updates on cryptocurrencies. Also, institutional investors, who previously had a pessimistic outlook of Bitcoin, have increasingly adopted the coin as an alternative to gold. Notably, they are bullish on the BTC, and are now advising their clients to invest in the coin. They are using Bitcoin as a hedging tool for their funds. Additionally, high-profile investors have also played a role in creating the market sentiment required to create a bullish trend. When BTC price experienced a price crash, Elon Musk came in handy by his tweet in late January when he updated his Twitter bio by adding the hashtag Bitcoin hashtag. Subsequently, the coin rose from $32,000 to $38,000. He even proceeded and termed the coin a good thing. Then, BTC rose to hit the $50,000 mark on February 14th. Similarly, in a February SEC filing, Tesla revealed that they had bought $1.5 billion worth of Bitcoin. In the subsequent months, the price rallied to highs of $64,000 in April. Previously, Square and MicroStrategy had purchased Bitcoin using corporate cash. Moreover, MasterCard and BNY Mellon have also shown their willingness to use crypto, thereby creating more institutional interest in Bitcoin. Thus, more and more people want to own a Bitcoin wallet to be able to store it safely, and this interest is expected to grow in the future. In May, news that Tesla had suspended vehicle purchases using Bitcoin hit the crypto hard, and matters were exacerbated by another of his tweets questioning the use of coal for Bitcoin mining. Despite Elon Musk's contradictory signals about Bitcoin, other notable investors have shown their interest in the ubiquitous coin. Notably, Mark Cuban tweeted to infuse hope to a market that was getting jittery after Musk declared that Tesla wasn't accepting BTC for car purchases. Trading Beasts' Bitcoin price prediction for the remaining part of the year reveals that the coin will close the year at maximum price $45,680.155, minimum price $31,062.505, average price $36,544.124. Admittedly, 2021 has been the rockiest period for cryptos that even making Bitcoin price prediction may seem like an overstretched imagination. Nonetheless, that does not deny market enthusiasts the liberty to make projections. Mark Yusko, a Morgan Creek Capital hedge fund executive, is very optimistic about Bitcoin. He believes that BTC will hit $100,000 in 2021, and even grow exponentially to hit $250,000 in 5 years. Fred Skibesta, the founder of the financial comparison platform Finder.com, is also very bullish on the prospect of Bitcoin. He believes that BTC will hit $70,000 before the end of the year. Moreover, Finder.com released a survey report from academicians and market analysts, in which more than half of them believe that the coin is undervalued. They, however, came to a consensus that BTC will close the year just shy of the psychological mark of $100,000. Considering price predictions made by forecasting firms and notable investors, the verdict is clear: BTC will remain bullish in 2021. Of course, we cannot rule out the occasional seesawing of prices caused by price corrections and speculative activity. However, the coin will remain versatile as already articulated by academicians, influencers, and price prediction sites that use models. Therefore, depending on your risk appetite, we urge you to take advantage of the current low prices so that you may reap big in the future. That's it for today, guys. We will see you next time. Until then, goodbye.